Today's episode is all about why you must be building an email list as a digital entrepreneur. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a coach, a service provider, even if you have a brick and mortar studio or space somewhere, you want to make sure that you are building an email list. And we're going to talk about exactly why and a little bit of the how as we break it all down for you today. So the first and biggest reason why having an email list is so important for your business is because an email list is a list that you own versus social media, which is a list that you borrow. So a list that you own means when things go crazy, if we have like the great big shutdown of Instagram or everything disappears and we have a blackout day on Facebook, if Zucks decides to shut it all down, your account gets hacked, whatever might happen, it has happened in the past. If you don't have a way to contact your leads, your clients, your potential audience members, well, then there's no way to contact them. So how are you going to continue to grow your business, nurture your business? Probably can't. So if you're anything like me, you have experienced multiple Instagram shutdown days, and they sometimes feel like a holiday. We're all super excited because the pressure to be on social media is suddenly relieved because you know that no one's going to be on. But if you're anything like me, you maybe have experienced a little bit of anxiety, or maybe your clients have experienced anxiety of, OMG, when's it going to come back? How am I going to talk to people? Or I can't believe this is happening right now. I'm literally in the middle of a launch. This is terrible. It's going to affect my sales. Having a list that you own, like your email list, means that you can reach those people at any time. That is a list that is yours. Anyone that's on that list, you can contact them at any time. Whether you also collect their Instagram handle, other social media handles, or phone number, that's up to you. That's additional, but having their email address is a way that you can always reach them. The second thing here is when you're working with an email list, you're not navigating the algorithm. So in social media land, we put out content. We hope that our ideal client sees it. We hope it sticks. We hope they save it, they share it, they like it, they comment on it, and maybe even it goes viral. But you never know how the algorithm's gonna work. Sometimes it's in your favor, sometimes it's not. They're constantly changing their algorithm. When you're navigating having an email list, there's no algorithm. It's just black and white. These people are on your list. You can send something to them or you don't. Inside of an email list, you can break your own email list down by different categories, or they're called segments, and you do this by using tags. You can tag different people in your email list based on what they're interested in. So let's say you're a fitness coach, for example, and you have a free opt-in, a lead magnet that's all about nutrition. If people say they're interested in that particular opt-in, you can tag them as someone who's interested in nutrition. So anytime you're going to be hosting a nutrition seminar, you're going to put together a masterclass, you're selling a course on nutrition, it'd be a pretty good idea to email that particular group of people. Whereas maybe there are other people on your email list who have said they're only interested in fitness and movement. And so it doesn't mean that you wouldn't email them and give them a heads up about the nutrition stuff. But if you did want to keep it super separate and honor what people are saying they're interested in, then you can back off. And then similarly, on the flip side, you can totally target those particular people if they are interested in something like fitness and movement. So tagging and segmenting is a way that you can break apart your list inside of your email list. But at the end of the day, there's no algorithm. You have full control over what that looks like. So you're essentially creating your own algorithm. The other reason why we love an email list is because it's another stream of lead generation. So we've all heard before that we want to diversify our revenue streams, right? Where money's coming in from. So you want to diversify your investments, your assets, and we want to diversify our leads and where we're nurturing our leads. So in a perfect world, we'd all be on every single platform, but the reality is that's really difficult to do because a lot of us don't even have time for one platform. Okay, so let's say you have some content that lives on Instagram, which is going to a particular type of audience, and the way people like to consume content is native to that platform. So Instagram right now, 2023, people are loving Reels, short form video. We still love carousels over on Instagram, and people are expected to be sold on Instagram. It's very much a digital marketing platform, and everybody knows that. TikTok is definitely more entertainment, valuetainment. It's a little bit more of a peek inside of your life, your personality. It's very authentic. It's very in the moment. Pinterest is generally beautiful pictures that then lead you to longer form content. So maybe it's a beautiful picture that you click about 7 steps to do XYZ, and when you click it, it opens up to a blog post. Podcasts, of course, are auditory, so people love to listen to these on the go, and generally they don't have a visual component unless it's being streamed over on a platform like YouTube, or clips are being taken and used for short form video like Instagram or even YouTube Shorts. So all different platforms have different ways that we consume. We also have different ideal clients hanging out on those platforms. Going back to email marketing. Email marketing is another platform that you now get to build an audience on, and you get to do that organically. The way that you do that is through offering something that's valuable in exchange for somebody's email. So real quickly to review, building an email list is crucial, especially in 2023, because number one is a list that you own and you have it all the time and you have access to those people just in case something happens to social media. Number two, there's no algorithm, so you're not fighting against the algorithm gods and goddesses. Number three, it is an incredible tool to building your organic social media following, your organic list, your organic leads. You don't have to pay for ads. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. Here's the deal. I can talk about this for hours, and I want to be mindful of your time as well as mine. If you've got nothing out of this episode so far, I hope that you understand how important it is to be building an email list. But the key here is that you can use organic social media to build your email list consistently. And especially in between launches, you always want to focus on building that email list so that you have new eyeballs in front of you when you go to launch the same product or program that you've previously launched. So here's the deal. We have put together a free training. So this free training is all about how to build and grow your email list with hot leads and dream buyers fast and for free. In the training itself, there's 10 different videos. They're super short, bite-sized, very digestible. I promise I'm not going to take up a ton of your time, but I'm going to go through much deeper. Yes, a little bit about the why, which we talked about today, very much so about the how. We're going to talk all about the technology and the actual pages and how you connect them and what that looks like. We've got tutorials, there's checklists, there's Google spreadsheets and stuff that you can go through. But the key here is that I'm gifting you for free our exact email marketing framework. This is the blueprint that we've been using in our business for years so that you can plug it into your business. This will help you reach more ideal clients. It will help you build deeper relationships with the cold, the warm, and the hot clients that are on your list. And most importantly, this is going to help you monetize your content, your programs, your social media, and your email list even more. So if you're interested in learning more, it's totally free, no strings attached. You can go ahead and grab the link in the show notes, in the description. We've got a link there for you. Check it out. Totally free training. There's so much value in here. And I want to leave you with this last piece because my hope is that you open it up and you take it and you start going through this training and you get lifetime access and you can circle back through as many times as you want. And my hope is that you say in your head, wow, I can't believe this was free. And the reason I hope that is because number one, I deeply believe you will because I know how good it is. And number two, I believe that your free trainings, your free opt-in, your lead magnet should be better than your competitors' paid programs. Did you hear me? I believe that your free content, your free trainings, your lead magnets, your opt-ins to build your email list should be better, juicier, more expansive, deeper than your competitors' paid programs. And that is exactly what we do at Digital Business Evolution. So as always, cheers to your evolution, and make sure you grab those screenshots when you're going through this training. Tag me, I am Jessica DeRose. Let me know that you're working on the training, and DM me and let me know how many people come into your new funnels as you create new opt-ins. Tell me 2 new people opted in, 50 people opted in. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. 100 people opted in. I want to hear from you. Thanks for being here. Cheers to our evolution.